Here we're looking at a Rosemount Model 3095 multivariable transmitter. And on this transmitter, like every other new Fieldbus device, we have a commissioning label. And some important data on this commissioning label that you'll see. The first is the device ID number. That's a 32-byte unique ID number that goes with every Fieldbus instrument. You can think of that device ID number as being like the MAC address for the Fieldbus device, to give an Ethernet equivalent, MAC address. It also has a revision number. This is pretty important too, because this is a device with a computer built in. It's got software, or more specifically, it has firmware, and that firmware has a definite revision, 1.1. As Rosemount continues to update this product and add new capabilities to it and fix bugs or whatever might happen to be wrong in it, they're going to increment the revision number, and that'll be reflected on the tag of the new instrument you buy. That also means the driver files, the device description files you download from Rosemount, must also have the higher revision number. Kind of like plugging a computer printer or a fax machine or a scanner into your home computer, you have to have the right driver file to make the hardware work. Similar here in a Fieldbus system, our host has to have the right driver files in order to be able to talk to this instrument and get out of its full capabilities. So very important you know the revision number of that instrument. We can also tell its device ID number and revision number simply by plugging it in. As it comes up as an uncommissioned instrument, we can read that data about it and see what it is on our host system. Now in this particular case, this Fieldbus transmitter is connected to our Foundation Fieldbus network. That goes over to our Delta V DCS made by Emerson. So that's our host system. However, you can get handheld communicators that will plug into a Fieldbus network, and you can do some interrogation there as well. But for the most part, configuration, maintenance, setup, and diagnostics are all done from a host system, usually some sort of DCS. Allen Bradley also makes some products for their Control Logix 5000 PLCs that will talk Fieldbus. So you can do some Fieldbus stuff with a PLC, in the case of Allen Bradley, at least. And I believe there's some other brands that'll do that as well. But most people who are running Fieldbus do it through a DCS. Anyway, very important information, something you want to keep on record for all the instruments you have in